how to post on Pinterest and make money. In order to make money on Pinterest, you must treat the platform as visual search engine rather than a social media site. Since Pinterest itself does not pay for view or simply image upload or simple image uploads, you earn by driving high intent traffic to specific monetizations path. So what you could do is, in order to earn money, you could switch to a business account. This is a free and essential for accessing Pinterest analytics, the creators hub, and the shoppable features. You could also pick a profitable niche, so high converting categories including DIY, home decor, food, recipe, beauty and style, and personal finance can also help you earn money. Next, you could also use Pinterest Trends tool to find keyword with 10k to 100k monthly search volume and include them in your profile bio, board titles, and pin descriptions as well. So these are some of the alternative ways that can help you post on Pinterest as well as make money. However, this isn't a direct source like any other social media platform, so you could just give it a try. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.